Meta AI on WhatsApp is a chatbot developed by Meta, formerly Facebook, to enhance user experience by providing information, answering questions, and generating content. It integrates AI-powered assistants directly into WhatsApp, enabling users to interact with the AI through text, voice, or images. The key features of Meta AI on WhatsApp include information retrieval. Ask questions and get responses based on Bing and Google search results. Text assistance. Get help with writing, brainstorming ideas, or crafting messages. Image generation. Create AI-generated images by providing descriptions. Interactive conversations. Engage in conversations with the AI for entertainment, support, and more. This integration aims to make interactions more dynamic and helpful, turning WhatsApp into a more versatile tool for various needs. As of now, Meta AI is available in 43 countries, with several new languages, such as French, German, Hindi, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish, with more to come. The initial rollout included countries like the United States, Australia, Canada, Brazil, the United Kingdom, the Philippines, Bolivia, Guatemala, and Paraguay. The service is also expanding to regions in the Middle East, Latin America, and Asia. Here is how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. First, update WhatsApp to make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Then open a chat by going to the chat window where you want to use Meta AI. Access Meta AI. Tap on the Meta AI icon, usually a small AI or chatbot icon, in the chat window. Type your question or request in the chat field. You can ask questions, request information, or even generate AI images. To generate AI images, type @Meta AI Imagine, followed by a description of the image you want. Meta AI will generate an image based on your description. Meta AI will provide responses based on Bing and Google search results. You can also give feedback on its responses. You can use Imagine Edit in English to modify your images by adding, removing, or animating objects. Currently, Imagine Edit is available only in English, but additional languages will be supported soon. Simply type Imagine and describe your image. Then respond to what Meta AI generates by instructing it to add, remove, or adjust elements according to your preferences. Sounds like a fantastic tool for unleashing your creativity. Are you excited to try it out? It's also available for free on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Meta AI continues to evolve and bring new possibilities to more people through WhatsApp. As always, your personal messages and calls remain end-to-end encrypted, ensuring that they remain private. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the evolving world of AI technology with Tech AR/VR. Your feedback is crucial to us, and we would love to hear from you and see how Meta AI has helped you express your creativity and ideas more effectively.